Did you overcomplicate the business when you first got in?
Yeah, I mean, bro, I'm the ultra complicator. I did 7,000 renovations for other people before I ever did my own deal. I mean, talk about overcomplicating. It wasn't until somebody, her name, she lives here in San Diego, but she was retiring, and she came to me and she goes, Pace, you do all my renovations as a contractor, and I don't see you investing in anything. And I go, I don't know what the hell you guys do. I don't know where these deals come from. She's like, Pace, you're doing literally the hardest part of this entire
90% of the whole thing.
Doing all the work.
And you're barely making any money. She's like, I watch everybody just bleeding you dry and whittling you down and saying I'm on a tight budget. Meanwhile, she's like, my average deal, I'm netting 60, 70,000 bucks. So what she did. And
times 7,000 deals and.
Bro, crazy, right? So she goes, I'm going to sell my Homevestors franchise to you on seller finance.
I never knew you bought Homevestors on a seller finance deal.
About on seller finance.
I mean, that's what's cool about this seller finance world is a lot of things are actually sold on seller finance businesses all the time.
People just don't know it, right? And so my first deal I ever did was I spent $5,000 in direct mail. My first phone call I ever did, I went to the appointment. I did the deal with Jamil. Right, because I had already been dealing with this thing in Phoenix with this guy owing me money. So I had this relationship with Jamil already. I didn't even know what an assignment contract was. It was just I could talk to people. So I went to the appointment and I made $25,000 on it. Long story short, it paid off $150,000 franchise cost in like 70 days. And I was like, I'm done with construction, 100%. I'm out of construction. What was I doing? I did 7,000 renovations before I ever did one of these easy ass deals. It's the easiest business in the world.